Life in the Rogue Valley offers a unique backdrop. With expansive farmlands and mountain trails, the pace of life draws people to Southern Oregon. But zoom in on the day-to-day, and that scenic calm disappears. Between long shifts, school runs, and weekend errands, Tuesday becomes Friday in a blur, leaving the living room floor showing casualties of that schedule. When the house is chaotic and unexpected guests are arriving, the reflex is often to search online and book the fastest, cheapest cleaning service available. That rush carries hidden risks. If an independent cleaner isn't bonded and insured, any accident on your property, a broken heirloom, or a personal injury becomes your direct financial liability. Those bargain basement quotes are also frequently subsidized by the supplies they use. To cut costs, budget services rely on cheap, harsh industrial chemicals. Out-of-town contractors lack context. They don't know the specific layouts of East Medford subdivisions or the preservation needs of historic downtowns in Ashland. This is where Medford Premier Cleaners operates differently. Founded locally, they built their entire service model around the exact environmental realities of the Rogue Valley. Take that intensive deep clean acts as a seasonal reset for the whole house. Their standard weekly maintenance service ensures that everyday dust, grime, and pet dander never reach a baseline level of buildup. To address the issue of harsh fumes, the company strictly utilizes plant-derived, biodegradable cleaning solutions. These non-toxic formulas are highly effective at cutting through grease and disinfecting surfaces, yet they remain entirely safe for young children, roaming pets, and the broader Southern Oregon watershed. Maintaining a healthy interior space in this region requires matching specific technical cleaning protocols to the specific environmental challenges outside your front door. Beyond the physical cleaning, there is the matter of trust. Every cleaner sent to your home is a rigorously background-checked employee, professionally trained in these specific methods, never a random independent contractor. The company is fully bonded and insured. If an accident does happen on the property, you have absolute liability protection. You also know exactly what the service costs up front. Quotes are calculated strictly based on the square footage of the home and the specific type of clean requested. There are zero hidden fees. And they back their work with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If any detail on your priority list is missed, they return and correct it. You are securing a consistently healthier environment for your family, while permanently crossing a massive chore off your weekly list, so you can actually enjoy your weekends. Experience the standard of clean your home deserves. Call Medford Premier Cleaners or visit their website today for a free, no-obligation quote.